This motor that came in was having some running issues. It was acting weird. And if you see the threads in the spark plug hole, you can't really, it wobbled and it wasn't making good connection, and the whole thing was covered with grease where it probably wasn't getting a good connection or getting good ground to make it spark. So we he's done. So we went ahead and ordered another head, put it on there, changed the impeller. There's his impeller, and he wanted tail lights and put new spark plugs in it. Turn her up. Sounds like it's running pretty good. So hopefully that solved his problem. It's not making a good ground on the spark plug and misfiring. And he's got new tail lights.